Brought to you by us at the Manufacturer magazine, Industrial Data Summit is the UK's most senior gathering of manufacturing data professionals. This summit is created to ensure that data-minded manufacturers can come together to talk about the role of data and analytics in their business. Now more than ever, manufacturers need to be able to access, understand, and query their data to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and embed a culture of data-driven decision-making. The event has an interactive format that enables in-depth peer-to-peer discussions around your key business challenges, which results in real insight and value.
A circle is better than a row. So the way that manufacturer does things is fantastic, because when they put a circle, everybody feels they're belonging to the discussion. They contribute. Even I don't have to lead anything. They keep talking and they solve their own problems. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to contribute.
You're nothing without your network. You're nothing without expert opinion, latest research, latest findings. And without events like these, how do you know that you're looking ahead to include cutting-edge thought, cutting-edge principles, models?
We've had some juicy conversations in the roundtables, listening to some of these different businesses, all of whom have got similar challenges, just dressed up in different outfits.
Here, peers get a chance to unload their burdens and understand whether or not they're actually alone, or whether it is possibly just their own environment that occasionally leaves them feeling like the lone voice crying out to, set a direction and accomplish something in particular. So that peer sharing, I think, is really important for that sense of community.
What I truly like about the way the manufacturer has set this up is it doesn't have a bias towards a particular technology or a vendor or a business. It's purely well-intended. People are trying to bring their best and to share the knowledge in everyone's interest.
The discussion table format is brilliant, both from the perspective of being able to guide a discussion in the way that's relevant to those around the table at the time, and although we're obviously discussing a core topic, we had as many permutations of that topic as there were individuals attended. And it's also a great way to meet other people that you wouldn't meet in a kind of a more presentational format.
It is crucial in this present-day economy for factories and businesses to run efficiently and in a cost-effective way. Come and find out about the practical steps that manufacturing organisations can take to collect, manage, and leverage that all-important data.